Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to find meme coins early. 1. Join online communities on Discord and Telegram. For Discord, look for groups led by experienced meme coins analysts like Jacob's Crypto Clan. On Telegram, use Telegram's search bar with keywords like meme coin, presale or crypto gems to find active groups. Larger groups tend to have better resources and insights, and paid groups might offer exclusive tips such as private presales. 2. Utilize social media platforms. Follow accounts like New Meme Coins Alert for instant updates on potential investments on Twitter. You can search for hashtags like new, presale, or crypto ICO to spot upcoming launches, and filter posts by the newest to stay ahead. Also, you can find them on Reddit, for example, meme coins, crypto, currency ICO, and crypto moonshots. Also, another way to find meme coins early is to participate in their early presales. Presales or crypto ICOs offer tokens at the lowest possible market cap before public exchange listings. Look for these opportunities through Discord, Telegram, or reputable website to get early. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.